Hi, welcome to this YouTube video about adding, where the goal is to be as quick as possible adding these numbers. You've got to try and shout them out before the answer comes on the screen. So first question, here we go. So shout out the answer before it appears. Now that was an easy one. So next question is a bit tricky. You might have a bit longer. A little bit trickier. So I'm giving you 3, 2, 1. Next question. A tricky one. So I'm going to give you a little bit longer, but still speed, speed, speed. 3, 2, 1. Next question. That's another easy one. Quickly as you can. Quickly as you can. Go. Tricky one. Can you get the answer before it appears on the screen? It's going to come in 4, 3, 2, 1. And the next question. It's another easy one, I think. Next. Yeah, easy one. So you've got 3, 2, 1. Little bit trickier. You can have a little bit longer, but still speed. As quick as you can. As quick as you can. Shout the answer. Easy one, in my opinion. So I want you to be as quick as you can. Shout the answer before it appears on the screen in 2 seconds. 1 second. Another easy one. 2 add 2. What's the answer before it appears on the screen? Finally, a tricky one. But I'm still not going to give you very long to make you get better at adding. 3, 2, 1. And that is the end of our presentation. If you got any of them wrong, you must watch the video again until you shout out all the answers before they appear on the screen.